Hello everyone, welcome to EduCept 105. Today we are going to learn one of the most useful concepts in trigonometry, complementary angles. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve many CBSE MCQs in just a few seconds. Video at a glance. In this video, we will understand what complementary angles are, prove important trigonometric identity, learn a quick MCQ trick, and solve some exam level questions. Here comes triangle. So let's begin with a right angle triangle. Consider angle A here. We know that sin A equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. In this triangle, orange side is the opposite side and the gray side is the hypotenuse. So sin A equals opposite upon hypotenuse. Now here comes same triangle from angle B. Notice the triangle has not changed, only our viewpoint has changed. The side which was adjacent for angle A now becomes the opposite for angle B. Therefore, sin B equals opposite upon hypotenuse. Now comes the main identity proof. The side that is opposite for angle B is the same side that is adjacent for angle A. Therefore, sin B equals cos A. Also, since A and B are complementary angles, A plus B equals 90 degree. So, B equals 90 degree minus A. Now, substituting this value for B, we get sin A equal cos 90 degree minus A. And this is the complementary angle identity. Now comes slide 6. Let's test this identity. Sin 35 degree equals cos 50 degree. 35 plus 55 degree equals 90. That means that two angles are complementary. Therefore, sin 35 degree equals cos 55 degree. Now comes the three identity pairs. These are the three important identity pairs you should remember. Sin pairs with cos, tan pairs with cot, and sec pairs with cosec. Whenever the angles add up to 90 degrees, you can replace one function with its co-function. Now here is a simple shortcut. If two angles add up to 90 degrees, immediately replace with the trigonometric function with its co-function. For example, sin 25 degrees can be written as cos 65 degrees. This trick will save a lot of time in MCQs. Now here comes example 1. Let's solve a question. Evaluate sin 35 degree divided by cos 55 degree. Now using the identity cos 55 degree equals sin 35 degree. So the expression becomes sin 35 degree divided by sin 35 degree, which is equal 1. Hence the answer is 1. Now comes another example. If sin A equals cos of 2A minus 45 degree, find the value of A. Since sine and cosine are equal, their angles must be complementary. So 2 plus A plus 2A minus 45 degrees equal 90 degrees. 3A minus 45 degree equal 90 degree. 3 equal 135. A equal 45 degree. Now it's done. It's your turn. Try solving this question and write your answer in the comment. I am looking for the correct answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to EduCept 105. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.